Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about alerts in our Selenium with Typescript. Okay. First of all, what is the alerts? Are basically to confirm whether you are need to go inside or not in an application. Okay. We call it as a JavaScript alerts. We can able to call it also. Okay. If you click, there is a pop-up welcome. If you click OK, it will goes. Or some of the places this is a confirmation purpose whether you want to OK or you want to cancel. Okay. And this the promote type of alerts is basically can need to provide some text. Then you need to click on OK and you need to click cancel if you don't want it. Okay, these are the three different kind of alerts we are seeing the commonly in our automation time. Okay, how we can able to do this kind of JavaScript alerts in your using our Selenium TypeScript. Okay, as simple if you go and take this particular path first. Okay, this is a path on JS alert. Okay, this is the alert we can able to say. Okay, and this is a text we need to take and click the elements. Okay, meanwhile we can take the code. We can create one file 11 alerts.ts file. Okay, and here I'm going to write it for one by one. Okay, now I'm going to copying this particular file URL. Okay, I'm pasting here and I'll remove this entire information and I'll wait for 2 seconds to load the page completely, and then we can able to use for JS alert. For this is OK alert, we can able to call it as a OK also, JS alert. Okay, now here we need to click the first element. For this I'm going to writing for text xpath. Okay, to forward slash star and square braces contains text single quotation value and close it. Okay, this is the one path you can able to identify, right? Now you can see this is the path I'm going to use and click that particular element. Okay, now after clicking only we can able to get that value, otherwise we will not get it. Okay, constant alert button. Okay, await driver dot find element. Okay, by dot x path we can paste it. Okay, meanwhile we need to do for import also comma by. Okay, we are already imported this path. Okay, now I need to click this particular path. Okay, I need to click alert button dot click. Okay, we are going to click. Okay, now after we click it will give you some alert. Okay, I can use for I'm using for 1000 seconds. Okay, then I'm going to switch my alert. Okay, constant alert await driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, this is the method we are going to alerting that one. Okay, after that we need to use the text of that and you can able to print that particular text and then you can able to accept. Okay, once you accept it, here there is a occurrence is there. Once you click on OK, then you can see there is a message it is displaying. Okay, assert this is a ID. Okay, we are going to get the text of this particular value and then we can able to use check. Okay, and we can use our ID value and printing. Okay, if you want to use assertion, that also we can able to use the assertion whether what we are expecting assertions are right. Assertion purpose we have already done some assertions. Okay, soft assertion, hard assertion. Now I'm going to do for hard assertion. Okay, now I'm copying this one, copy, going back to here and pasting here. Okay, I'm using for hard assertion value only, assert equals. Okay, this is the method I'm going to use. Okay, now assert strictly and we are going to use the you successfully clicked on alert. Okay, this is the alert we are going to get here. See, This is a message. Okay, this is a message we can able to copy paste. In case if you feel that is a wrong, you can able to copy paste properly. Okay, which we are expected, and that should be a match. If that is not match, automatically we'll get some error. Okay, now I'm going to run this one. Alerts.ts file. Okay, now again I'm running this particular file. We can see it is passed. Okay, that alert text also we have presented, and also we are used for that validation also. Both the things are perfectly passed. Okay, and now we are going to use the JS confirmation. Okay, sorry, JS confirmation we can able to do cancel, or we can do for OK. Anything we can, based upon our request, we can able to use. Now I'm going to use for cancel, because we are already used the OK button to click. Now here, once you click OK, and you will get for OK, or if you click for cancel, it will come for cancel. Now I'm going to do for canceling. Okay, we have already done, right? I don't want to repeat again. Because of that, I'm going to use this one. Okay, constant confirmation purpose. Okay, and here you can JS click for confirmation purpose. Okay, now I need to click that element. Okay, once I click, I need to wait. Then we need to switch again into that element. Once I went this particular text, I need to validate. Now you clicked cancel. Okay, this is my paragraph one. Okay, this also we can do. Okay, switching alert and everything is a common. Okay, from here to down I'll take up to here. Okay, I'll copy and I'm pasting here. Okay, and here I'm going to use the underscore confirm. This is a confirm alert. Okay, and I'm using for copy and paste the confirm alert. Okay, and here alert confirm text. Okay, now I'm going to take the text of this particular one. Okay, once I get the text box, we are going to do for dismiss. Okay, dismiss or cancel, we can able to say. This is basically a functionality where we are going to use for dismiss. Okay, and now I'm going to use this confirmation alert, changing here. Okay, sorry, confirm alert. Okay, and now we have already result and result one, and again result one. Okay, and the text is basically you click cancel. Okay, this will come into the picture. Okay, okay, now you can see you clicked on cancel. This is the one we are going to verify. Okay, now again I'm going to run this particular file. Now OK button, cancel button. Okay, both here it is the displayed. Okay, text got displayed. Now we are going to final one. We need to send the text as well. Okay, for the text also we need to do, right? For this entire code, if you want to copy, we can copy it, or you can use for JS promote one. Okay, this is our promote. This will have for text box also. We need to give the text inside that particular path as well. Okay, and I'm copying this one, and here constant prompt alert. Okay, await a driver dot find element and by dot x path, and then we need to use for our path which we are using. Okay, then I need to click for that one, and after that I need to wait for driver dot sleep with 1,000 seconds. Okay, because otherwise it will skip. Okay, once I waited, then I need to use the alert. Okay, which is the alert we are going to use, right? From that particular alert we need to get the text of that. Okay, now we are getting the text. Once I get the text, I need to use the console alert to display that value. Okay, I'm able to display this particular value. Okay, this is my I am a JS prompt alert. Okay, now I need to send the text from this particular value, but we can't able to identify the locator, right? Then how we can able to do this kind of operations? We can able to do by providing a text in that particular method itself, alert itself. Okay, send case prompt alert dot send case, that information it will give you for testing prompting. Okay, now after that we need to verify a result. Okay, now we can able to use that result and prompt, and we can able to you enter testing prompt. Okay, this is a testing prompt. This is the information we have providing here, and automatically it will verify the text as well. Okay, up to here, like a first we done for clicking OK button and getting the text of that. Okay, and verifying the text, and then confirmation for cancel button and OK button is already done. That is the reason. Okay, again we are going to do for the same format of alert. Okay, clicking the prompt, and then it will give some message, and then we are going to sending that information into the text box. Then we are clicking for again OK button, and then verifying the text. Okay, these are the three functionality it is going to do. We'll see. First, second, third. Perfect, right? All three actions are done perfectly. Okay, this way we can able to do for a session with the alerts validation. Okay, I hope it this entire informational for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.